Organizing sessions can be draining. For our clients, what we try to do is schedule shorter sessions when we first start working with you, but then we ask you to take little breaks every now and then. We're asking you a lot of questions, sometimes rapid fire, and we don't mean to, but when we're trying to get through an area like a dining room table, or we are trying to get through a space that you really want to get decluttered and sorted by a certain time, and we want to help you reach that goal, your brain is working double time. So we often try to have you check in with yourself by asking you questions about how are you doing? You feeling okay? Do you need a little break? Do you want some water? Do you want to go step outside? Do you want to walk your dog? All these little things just help you take breaks. And we're actually modeling how it's going to happen when we're not around, because a professional organizer is trying to transfer skills to you. We're trying to have you learn how to do things independently once we're no longer in place, or in between sessions when it might be a week from the last time you saw us until the next time you see us. It could be two. So we want you to feel like you can work independently. So all of the time that we're working with you, we're actually modeling how you can work on your own with timers and frequent breaks and just self-care.